After I lost my mouse, or frankly speaking, breaking it, I didn't mean to hurt you, buddy.
Big time.
Alright, rest in peace. Where were we? I broke my mouse, so it was time for a new one. But this time I wanted something more comfortable since I got long fingers and I spend a lot of time on my PC. So I did a little research. Then the early Black Friday deal made me go to the nearest Best Buy, which they had a horrible customer service, by the way. That's a long story, we're not gonna talk about that, but I ended up getting 2 mice instead of 1. I got Razer Deathadder V2, an ergonomic mouse designed with deadly curves, and Razer Basilisk Ultimate, which is a killer, and when it comes to gaming, Basilisk Ultimate has a lot to offer. Well, as well as Deathadder too. The thing is, I don't need 2 mice, and I'm gonna pick one of them. So let's unbox, review, and compare. Yeah. Razer Basilisk Ultimate is a good-looking wireless gaming mouse with high-end performance and abundance features. I like its shape and the asymmetrical design. Build quality is fantastic. Actually, that's what Razer does usually. My favorite part about its design is the thumb rest. This beautiful curve has a nicer texture and it's the right shape to let you rest your thumb for long play sessions or to support it while you grip the side of the mouse. It comes with an optional paddle button and it could be really useful while gaming. I didn't mention this, but it comes with a charging dock. Honestly, I thought it would be bigger than this for some reason. I was worried about its spot on my desk, but it's pretty convenient. Using dock is pretty simple and fast. You just need to plug the charging cable from your computer's USB port to the dock. And you're gonna need to insert a USB wireless dongle into the charging dock. Nothing super special about it, but apparently it charges really fast. This mouse has a decent battery life. Without the RGB, you can use it up to 100 hours, they say, which is pretty impressive. Of course, RGB light reduces the battery life. Well, you might want to use it as a wired mouse. Of course you can. You can actually use the same cable that you use on your charging dock. I really like the cable. It doesn't king and it's really flexible. But the thing is, Basilisk Ultimate has hyperspeed wireless. It's 25% faster than any other wireless technology available. You won't even realize that you're gaming with a wireless mouse due to its high-speed transmission. About the multifunction paddle, it's magnetic, so putting it on won't be challenging, I guess. Its spot is covered by this rubber flap. You just need to remove it and replace it with this paddle extension. Honestly, I think this paddle would be something that I would use when I play video games. Interesting fact, the default setting for this button is sensitivity clutch, which is perfect for 1v1. Nope. But of course, you can change it with the Razer snaps. If you don't use the paddle often, then this rubber flap is a blessing. And you will be less likely to tap it by mistake when gripping the mouse in a tense moment. And then if you use the paddle often, then good for you. The texture on the mouse feels nice, I guess, but it leaves the finger mark on it as soon as you touch it. I like a lot of stuff about this mouse, and also I dislike quite a few things. One of my dislikes would be the DPI buttons. The stage up button is pretty reachable, unlike the stage down button. This mouse stores 5 DPI setting from 100 to 20,000, which is good enough who wants to play on 20,000 DPI. Another cool feature to talk about is adjusting the scroll wheel resistance. If you scroll it down, it can make it clicky, and it's quite loud. Also, you can make it fluid by scrolling it up. Soft and clean, or you can just customize it somewhere between. I like to have that clicky noise, but not too loud. Also, you'll see the profile button and the power button in the bottom. You can store full profile setting, but on the other hand, for some stupid reason, it won't let you store the RGB light setting. It's kind of annoying, isn't it? Why? And then in the right side of the bottom, you will see the USB dongle holder. It's a nice secure holder actually, and if you don't cover it, it will stay, even if you shake it. And then the last part about the bottom would be the ultra sleek mouse fit. It's really adaptive on any kind of surface and it will give you that nice smooth clean movement while gaming. You have 11 programmable buttons. Of course, you're gonna need to use the Synapse app. All buttons feels nice, like pressing it and everything. It feels nice, but they could have worked on the texture a little bit. It's not too loud. Basilisk Ultimate has Razer's Focus Plus optical sensor and optical switches, which offer 70 million clicks. And they don't make too much noise, as I mentioned. It's definitely nice. I think louder than this would be kind of annoying, don't you think? Overall, it's a good mouse and has a nice design. I think it would be comfortable for medium and large size hands. For small hands, it's not a perfect match. Razer Basilisk Ultimate with charging dock is gonna cost $169. The mouse by itself without the charging dock would be $149. But with the Black Friday deal, this mouse is gonna cost $99, which is really nice. Pretty much most of Razer's products are kind of pricey. If you buy this right now, you'll save how much? $70, I guess. Razer Deathadder was first introduced in 2006, known as best-selling games of all time. I think Razer Deathadder V2 was announced in 2020. It has 8 buttons that you can configure in Synapse app for your ideal setup. There are 2 front buttons, 2 on the side. We got the scroller wheel, and then on the top, DPI buttons. And in the bottom of the mouse, we got the switching profile, which is the only button that you will see. Well, Razer really worked on the design for the Deathadder family. I just feel really comfortable using it. The Deathadder V2 is fitted with Razer's optical switches, which use infrared light beams to actuate clicks, completely eliminating the risk of any unintended double clicks. It's the same optical switch that they use in the Basilisk Ultimate, which are built to last for 70 million clicks. This mouse offers 20,000 DPI just like Basilisk Ultimate again. It's customizable in the Synapse app, which is kind of annoying to be honest. Razer makes good product always, but at the end, for any kind of customization, they all rely on Razer Synapse. Which makes sense in some point, I guess. The Deathadder V2 has the SpeedFlex cable, that's what they call it. Actually, it's the same cable that they use in Razer Basilisk. The Deathadder's unique ergonomic shape is perfectly suited for palm grip users and works well with claw grip style. The Deathadder V2 weighs 82 grams, obviously lighter than Basilisk Ultimate, however it's a little bit larger when it comes to size. And compared to its procedure, the Deathadder V2 is 23 grams lighter. Razer Basilisk Ultimate and Deathadder V2 both have optical switches, but V2 is kind of louder for some reason, which I think it's because of the build, different material. It's quite impressive how the Deathadder V2 has all the new stuff inside. I mentioned earlier 20,000 DPI Focus Plus optical sensor, Razer's optical switches. Let me tell you, this mouse is a damn good one, and it has a fair price. To be honest, picking between these two mice is a tough decision. In some point, Basilisk Ultimate would be more useful for me with this paddle and the palm rest. I really like the palm rest. I don't really care about the wireless charging dock and the RGB light. Can you tell I'm lying? On the other hand, Razer Deathadder V2 is really nimble, really comfortable. I like it, I really like it. Basically, this mouse has everything a gamer need. I would say, if I was just playing video games, I'd definitely pick Deathadder V2. But I think Razer Basilisk Ultimate is a win-win situation for both gaming and office work, and I like the extra buttons, I like the resistance adjustments. Although the Deathadder V2 is cheaper and it's really affordable with this Black Friday deal. So on the website, I think it's let's see, it's $69.99. Yes, so on Razer's website it's $69.99, but Best Buy and Amazon have a sweet deal of $34.99 on this mouse. Wow. That was a tough choice, guys. I made it. I think I'm gonna keep Razer Basilisk Ultimate. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Sorry if I missed anything on the unboxing thing or reviewing. I don't really have the experience. This is technically the second unboxing video, and if this is your first time here, this is not an unboxing channel. Hell yeah, we review the shit out of everything. Please don't forget, give this video a like and leave a comment down below. And if this was your first time here and you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you subscribe, as we have more coming, guys. Alright, thanks again for watching. Peace out. Professor Mo.